Bangkok's damage is right here, right behind me. You can see that structure, that demolished structure there. It was a 30-story building last night, but now it's reduced to a rubble. That rubble itself is about 4-story high, so you can imagine the scale of damage. Authorities are saying that more than 100 people could be trapped inside. They're all construction workers because it was an under construction building. It was supposed to be a new government building, Bangkok's government, but sadly that's not the case anymore. About 70 to 80 or more than 100 people could be trapped inside that huge pile of rubble that you see on your screen. You can also see rescue operations going on. Dozens of workers have been swarming this place since yesterday, and we've been reporting throughout, and new teams are joining in every half an hour to 15 minutes. There are new people coming in with their new gears. There have been robots deployed. There have been sniffer dogs. There have been many cranes that you can see in the distance that have been trying to remove the rubble from the side and from the top so that people can be rescued. A lot of people are trapped, as I mentioned, and at least one person has been identified as being alive, but even the authorities have not been able to reach to them because he or she is trapped inside, and it's difficult to reach them. Sniffer dogs have been able to locate some of these people, but so far the situation remains grim. About 100 people are trapped, and 6 people have been reportedly killed here. Overall, Thailand has lost 10 people since yesterday when the strong tremor struck the city, and a lot of tourists come to the city every week. They have also been affected. I spoke to many of these tourists. Some of them saw this whole tragedy unfold in front of their eyes, because right in front of this is this huge market. I would request my cameraman to focus on the other side of the road. You can see in the distance and also on the other side that there are many shops that are there, and these places are surrounded by tourists on a regular day, but tourists are not allowed at the moment because you can see only rescue workers are there. So this is the hub of Bangkok activity, one of the hubs, Chatuchak Market, and that is where this tragedy unfolded, and construction workers have been trapped inside.